Hey YouTube, we back again. If you trying to stay drippy without spending crazy bread, I got y'all. Today, I got some fire from Repdog, Sp5der, purple jeans, Hellstar, and EE shorts. You already know I'm breaking it all down, so stay locked in. And listen, don't pay full price when you don't have to. Use code PLUG for 10% off your order. Everything is linked in the description. Now let's get into it. First up, we got this Sp5der hoodie. And yeah, this one tough. The puff print hits crazy, the fabric got weight to it, and the colors pop just right. Y'all know Sp5der taxing for these in stores. But this the smart way to shop. I checked the details, stitching on point, fit is oversized like it's supposed to be. W or L? Let me know in the comments. 8. Next up, purple jeans. And listen, if you're trying to get that designer denim look without spending a rack, this is the move. The wash is clean, distressing is on point, and the fit, stacked up perfectly. Y'all ever seen people spending 500 plus on purple jeans? Imagine getting the same quality for way less. Stop playing and use code PLUG for that extra discount. Who rocking these? Comment below. Now let's talk Hellstar. Y'all already know this brand been going crazy, so I had to check if Repdog got it right. And bruh, this Hellstar tee is tough. The print is thick, not no weak screen print that fades after one wash. Fabric is soft but still heavyweight. If you're trying to be outside looking demonic, this one's for you. What y'all think? W or L? And finally, we got EE shorts. If you rock ball shorts in the summer, these are perfect. The mesh is breathable, the logo is stitched, not some cheap iron-on, and the fit sits perfect above the knee. Real EE shorts cost like $150 plus, but why pay that when you can get the same look for way less? These shorts a W or nah? If you trying to stay fly without breaking the bank, Repdog got you covered. And y'all already know, code PLUG gets you 10% off. Everything's linked in the description. I also dropped 2 other videos showing more Repdog pickups, so if you want to see what else they got, go watch those next. Links in the description. Before you leave, like, comment, and subscribe, and tap in with me on my other socials. Links down below. More heat on the way, so stay tuned. We out, stay fresh.